Hi, today I'm here with a seasonal decoration idea which is interesting. Well, I hope it is. I'm using some pumpkins. As you can see, these are the pumpkins I got. These are just regular foam pumpkins which I had this since last year. So I got so many of them, never used it. And today I decided to paint it into different colors, and inside of the video you can see how I painted already few of them as an experiment. Some of them works great and some of them aren't, but let's see. I'm using random acrylic paint which I usually use for my other painting projects. Then I got just regular paint. Mostly these are artist paint like you use usually in a canvas, and let's see how it works. For the video I'm starting to paint with a pink color, and that one works actually great and it covers that orange color beneath so well. Maybe I need to do one more layer, and mostly I need to do so many layers for different colors. Some of the paint colors actually works really well, but for those which I couldn't achieve the color, I'm using a glitter covering which is going to be in the next part of the video. Perhaps you already seen the thumbnail of the video, so you got an idea how the finished product will look like. It's actually going to take quite a long time, and using glitter, glue and paint, it's going to be really messy. So I'm telling you, it as a warning, it's time consuming and messy. On the other hand, it's really fun to do it. If you have kids in your home, they will have quite a nice time painting, using glitter, using glue. They are gonna absolutely love it. Here I almost completed the first layer of painting. Then I'm going to let it dry completely. Then going to do the second layer. Not all colors going to work the same way. Some need just one layer, some going to need more than 3 layers. The best part of the project is you can do it just with regular pumpkins, regular paint, regular painting brush, regular glitter and glue. You don't need to do an extra research and getting extra expensive items on it. That's it actually reflects on all my videos. If you are new, you can go and watch all my other videos. It's really fun to watch it. At the same time, it is informational. You get many ideas of how to recycle and to reuse. Moving on to the next part of the video, we will be using regular PVA glue and glitter, and that's going to be more messy than using the paint. So let's see how I'm doing it. Here I'm covering the pumpkin with paint. Just one layer is enough. Just make sure you cover the entire pumpkin. Just leave the pumpkin stem as it is. You don't need to paint it. Look at the glitter I'm using. I got so many of them in a box, and it's biodegradable, not made out of poly or plastic. And here I'm covering it with a green color. It actually reminds me of Christmas because there usually we use Christmas baubles covered with glitter. Really shiny, isn't it? It's actually possible to cover it with one more layer of glue so the glitter will not flake out. Really pretty colors. I think I'm going to use all of it. And there is my most favorite color, pink. And I think I need to do one more layer on it. Maybe I'll leave it like that. I don't know. Let's see how the light green came out. It looks actually perfect. No need for one more coating. I've painted around 60 pumpkins for the entire project. Here I am starting to glue it into the wreath base. It's a foam base around 30-34 centimeter diameter. I'm using regular hot glue to glue it into the base. At first it didn't came out so well, so I had to pull out the pumpkins and re-glue it so many times to get the result I want. That's why I mentioned in the previous part of the video it's going to be time consuming, but there is no need to give up on anything. You can try again and get the result you want. I'm planning to add some more extra pumpkins later because I don't have more pumpkins this time. So I can cover the gap, or I leave it like this, or I don't know. And that's all we can do in this project. Just paint it and glue it. There is nothing more we can do about it. So hope you are enjoying the video. And let me know if you are doing the same craft like this. For me, the time of the year is going so quick, and I remember so clear what was the fall time in the last year, and I can't believe it's already fall in this year. I don't know. What about you? How the time feels like? My kids actually saying exactly same thing like, Mom, how did it happen? It's already fall. I don't know. It's something interesting to discuss about. Well, I love all these colors in this wreath. It actually don't have that much of a color code. It's mixing up with random colors which I already have. The next question is how to hang it. You can glue a ribbon or a string or something like that behind the wreath and hang it on the door as usual. That's it. Enjoy the rest of the video, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and you can write your comments below the video, ask me questions, and that's it.